Pilot program allowing police to administer roadside drug tests to suspected drugged drivers is expanding. The initial one-year program was limited to just 5 counties. Most common drug found during the initial round of testing, marijuana. Now, as pot becomes legal in Michigan, the program is expanding statewide. 13 on your side's Nina DeSaro got a West Michigan prosecutor's opinion on the expansion.
Kent County was one of 5 counties in the state of Michigan to begin a pilot program to end drug driving. It began in 2017 and now will expand statewide.
They're getting positive results. That was proving that I think that is beneficial, especially with now legalization of marijuana. They want to expand the pilot project to get better sampling of data.
In the year-long pilot, officers in Kent County tested only a dozen drivers for drugs.
Just 12 in Kent County, which I was surprised at just how low that was.
In Washtenaw County, more than 60 samples were taken. The reason behind the small sample size?
There was a number of the tests that had 2 drugs that were tested positive for. A lot of people use alcohol and marijuana, or alcohol and drugs. So it's, the alcohol, officers even now, they just, okay, we got alcohol. They maybe not have taken that other step to see, because they've got enough probable cause on the alcohol aspect, that they didn't really check into the drug aspect.
Drugged driving has surpassed drunk driving as the leading cause of accidents.
Legalization is going to change the landscape in Michigan in terms of these drug driving offenses, and so it's just a matter of law enforcement has to adapt, and I think this is an important tool that, we're going to all have to work with and adapt to.
Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker says this is coming at the right time, especially since marijuana dispensaries are expected to open next year.
We don't have a per se. There is not the .08 for alcohol. We don't have a per se for marijuana. So as prosecutors, we have to now show that the marijuana impacted your ability to drive. It's not just the fact you have marijuana in your system.
In total, the preliminary test was used on 92 drivers in the 5 counties. Officials say it'll take a few months before it's launched statewide. In Grand Rapids, I'm Nina DeSaro, 13 on your side.